Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hypees here and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we are going to see how you can make this cool gaming intro on your Android device. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So make a 1920 into 180p blank document and then import a background which I will be given in the pack. So just import that and that's all, and go and make it black and white. Then make it decrease the contrast to -59. So it's that simple. Now we are going to import our logo. So I'm using a copyrighted logo just to show you how to make. You can use your own logo. So just hide this logo layer and just save this, and now export this background in the form of JPG. Again go to the folder and hide the background and just export the logo. And now let's go to AV player. So here I'm using a song by Mofus which is really cool. So I'm going to use this template. You can use any of the template and do experiments. So for editing, click on the pencil button, right corner top. So here you can see so many options. Go to the second image option and this is the background image. So go to the image option and you can see there custom image option, and go down, click on pick image, select our background. It is so simple. So go back and you can see now we are going to see how to learn how to you can create a beats with the background. For that, go down, scroll down and go to measure what and select it to beat and measure rotation to back time, and you can select any of this makes not a big difference. So it's a simple one, you can do anything. And you can also change the position of this using measure position and change this to any of your own choice, and you can see the background started shaking. So don't touch any of this. Go to the second compilation one and go to the second layer that is called image. This is our main image. We are going to put our logo. Go down and same process, go and click on custom image, and we are going to use our logo there. Select our logo. You can see it's our logo. Now we are going to the same effects, like change it to beat, and now you can see this measure what and change it to any of your own. And now we are going to go, now we are going and turning off all these layers which we doesn't want. Actually these are the extra layers, just turn off, just clicking on the tick mark, okay, and click on the tick mark and the bars will also be disappeared. Don't turn off the last layer. This is our glowing effect layer, we need this one. So go to the color option and change the second one, white color, to I'm changing to it green because the logo is in green color, so I'm changing it to the green. So don't touch the first layer and just change it to your logo and change it to beat, so the color changes according to the beat of the music. So for example, I'll play a video. Yes, you can see that the background is rotating, and when the more beat is coming, the color changes to green. It is so simple to do it. So we are going to export this. For exporting, click on the download button right there. Yes, now you can copy my settings right there. I'm importing in a high quality and I'm using H.264 encoder. In KineMaster, import this 2 minutes video. Actually, like for me it's 2 minutes video. In some of your devices maybe it's not working properly, so for that just export this and again import this. For me it's okay, for me it's working very nice, but not that nice, just normally. So first extract the audio of the video. So for extracting, go there and go down and extract audio option. Yes, now you are going to listen the beats. I'm making it at 12 or 14 seconds, not too much, not much more. So after, when you want to trim the video, just click on pause button, click on the pause button and just select the video, and you can see the scissors option, trim to right at the head, and that's all. Do the same with the audio option, and yes, so we are getting it 2 small clips. Now go to import a background, so we are making a bars like that, cinematic bars. It's very simple, so just position it how I did and just duplicate it and do the down and place it down. First change the animation to enter slide down or up, no, slide down, and the second one to the slide up. And yeah, so these are these will come like this one, like cinematic ones. So I'm going to use this, I'm going to cut the starting part of the black, because when the beat comes it looks more pretty good when the beat comes. So I'm just trimming the front parts, so it's very nice. So make sure that you need to fade out the end of the project, like keep it 1 second, and also fade the audio. It looks very nice.